In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Captcha image not showing. If you're having trouble with Captcha images failing to load in your browser, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few browser settings that can often resolve the issue. We'll clear cache data, remove stored website data for the affected site, and temporarily disable browser extensions that may be interfering with the Captcha. By following these steps carefully, you'll have a better chance of getting the Captcha image to display properly again. To begin, open your browser and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the browser's settings page in a new tab. Once you're there, use the menu on the left side and click Privacy and Security. Under this section, select Delete Browsing Data to open the Browsing Data window. When the pop-up appears, click the Time Range menu and change it from last hour to all time. This ensures that all stored browsing data that could be causing the issue is removed. After selecting the correct time range, click the Delete Data button and wait for the browser to finish clearing the stored information. Once that's complete, remain in the Privacy and Security section and scroll down until you find Site Settings. Open it, then select Third-Party Cookies. From the available options, choose See All Site Data and Permissions. This will display a list of websites that have stored data in your browser. Scroll through the list until you find the affected website, then click it to open its site-specific settings. You'll see information about the website's stored data and usage. Click the Delete Data button, and when the confirmation prompt appears, select Delete again to confirm your choice. After a moment, the page will update to show that the stored site data has been removed. Now close the Settings tab and return to your main browser window. Once again, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Hover over Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. This will open the page showing all of your installed browser extensions. Review the extensions that are currently enabled and temporarily turn off the McAfee Web Advisor extension. After that, also disable your VPN extension. Some security-related or privacy-focused extensions can occasionally interfere with Captcha services, so temporarily disabling them can help determine whether they're causing the problem. Once both extensions have been turned off, close the Extensions page and return to the website where the Captcha image wasn't appearing. At this point, the issue may be resolved, allowing the Captcha to display correctly so you can continue using the site without interruption. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,